the secret to turning your portfolio into an income-generating machine. Unfortunately, many investors from years ago are outdated on the information and opportunities they have towards their existing stock portfolio and investments. The old buy and hold strategy is not efficient anymore, and the majority of the longtime stockholders have experienced and learned it the hard way. There were hundreds, even thousands of companies which were doing great years ago, and their stocks were hot commodities of those times. But due to economic, financial, or other possible reasons, those companies fell under government scrutiny, went out of business, merged with others, have decided to go back to being a private company, or filed for bankruptcy. Remember, the goal is generating money for your long-term and short-term goals, not to marry the position. As long as your strategy works, or that stock or option, trade it and drain all the cash you can out of it. Our traders share their ideas, strategies, and techniques which work for them and grow their account balance. We would like to thank you for taking the time to watch the videos that we have put together for you today. Take a look and subscribe to our YouTube channel, our Instagram, our Facebook page, and reach out if you have additional questions. We would love to hear from you. Check out our website for more information. Go to www.OptionTradersNetwork.com. Thanks so much.